We are here today in Pacific Palisades. We just completed another beautiful job of our 45-degree high-tech design. This was a sort of challenging project here due to the variations in the slope. I'm going to demonstrate for you what we did here. I'm going to go ahead and close it so you can see. We had to add several rollers here to compensate for the different angles. You can see how that secondary track takes over. When it changes, it becomes airborne, so it doesn't catch anymore. In addition to that, we also had to put another roller up here to keep the gate straight so it goes into the receiver directly. This job also consisted of this pedestrian gate and also another pedestrian gate back there. Everything came out beautiful and working properly. We'll go ahead and open it one more time and show you an outside view. We also put a panel over here on the side. You can see where all the complications may have occurred on this job due to the slope, but our fabricating team did an amazing job of matching the slope down below. As you can see, every little piece is lining up beautifully. Thank you for watching from Mulholland Brand. We'll see you on the next beautiful project.